Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a logo in Canva. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So as you can see, I'm in my projects for short guides and I have been creating all of my thumbnails in Canva, and also I created this logo for my channel in Canva. But I will show you the outstanding, really nice logos using creating in Canva. So go to create a new design or add a new if you are in the project. It's the same actually. I will add a new design, create a new, and I will choose from logos. Okay. And now I am in the Canva editor for with the size I choose for my logos. And on the left side, I have some templates for the logos. Let's say that you are the beauty company and you want to choose some beauty template for your company or starting project. You can use this one logo. It's actually looking really nice. You can name it by yourself. Let's say that you can actually change the size of this logo, move it around as you wish, and you can change the text. Okay, it's the pretty salon. Okay, spa and beauty. But if you are not in the beauty segment, uh, you could just go to the search bar on the left in the camera and try to looking for your kind of business. Okay, so let's say that you are in the motorcycle business and you are selling motorcycle or you are repairing the motorcycle. So let's looking for motorcycle logo. I will add a new page for the new logo. And here you can see you have some free templates for like e-tech or something else. Like this one is the free logo for this could be used for your website. Oh, this one is looking really nice, but I highly recommend something that will your actually customers remember and will be eye-catching. Actually, I like this one, motorcycle. And now just put the name of your company, okay? So let's say I make it so make it a little bit smaller. Harley Davidson motorcycle service, and now it's looking really nice, I think. But let's say that you are not in the motorcycle, you are in the automotive logos. So you can look for any type of for any types of logos. Okay, let's say car wash. I can use this one. It's for free, and I can name it here car wash. Change it car wash. Uh, T and T car wash. Okay, and I will simply edit this text. The spaces between this text. Letter spacing, no, line spacing, okay? And let's say that you will create your own logo and you want to download it. I highly recommend going to Canva Pro and download it actually in the not PNG because it's a big size for your website. but I highly recommend it's will you cannot. I will show you something. Okay, just stay with me. I will download it as PNG and sorry, I will just download the first one project. Yes, current page. And if you are using PNG, uh, it's once you will zoom it, it will decrease in quality. And this is what I don't recommend using PNG. Just go to your Canva Pro for 1 month free and download it in the SVG. This is the type of files that all of these website developers using. Okay, so just go to the SVG type and download it, and it will not looks like a picture, but it's looking like the website. And just open it. And now just zoom it and press this control and scroll, and you can see that the quality of these pictures is the same. Okay, it's really nice. So I highly recommend download your logo in the SVG file. And yeah, this is all from my side. I have shown you how you can create really fast, simple logos, and I hope you have found this video helpful. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.